Need security for your home, car or cell phone? Micro Technologies is the key to future security. It's a global provider of security, safety and life support solutions. Products like the Home Security System or the HSS protect your house in your absence. The Vehicle Black Box or VBB prevents car thefts, and the Lost Mobile Tracking System or the LMTS protects your cell phone from being stolen. These security solutions help you live a safe and secure life. Micro Technologies. Your security is our concern.
What is your core business?
See, ours is a security-based company. We started off initially as a IT company, but for the last 5 years we have been basically very active on the security products. The security products includes products for internet security, mobile security, cyber security, and physical security. Physical security includes home security, vehicle security, and security of unmanned locations.
What have been the achievements and unique strengths of your company?
See, we are the only Indian company which can talk of technology developed by an Indian company for the global market. Most of our technologies are highly taken by the Western world, including Japan. And we got a lot of originally developed products. We got more than 200 engineers who do hardcore R&D. And these R&D are for actual security-based solutions for the global market. Today, with terrorism and other thing going on in the large scale in the world market, in the world, these products are extremely well received from the users.
What is the agenda before you now?
See, we are trying to address this in a more effective way. Now, even from the Indian point of view, with the new government coming in, we have got feelers from many of the departments in the new government for them to see how these products can be more effectively used in the Indian fight against terrorism. So we are also customizing it for various levels and layers of users.
What the infrastructure and marketing setup you have got?
From the development point of view, at present we have got a staff strength of around 400 people. And from the marketing point of view, we have set up a subsidiary called Micro Retail Limited. Micro Retail Limited has got a range of micro shops throughout India. Today, the count is a little more than 100. We expect to touch 500 in another 1.5 to 2 years' time. This micro retail implementation, sales and service for the clients. At the same time, we are also having a group which is taking care of corporate marketing. Corporate marketing takes care of large-scale institutions. There are many Fortune 100 and Fortune 500 companies which are taking our products, where this corporate marketing team does the marketing, sales and support.